participate in wars and use up all your flags. So you'll see up the top left corner, I've got 3 flags for the first half of the war, which would be the first 12 hours. And right now, I'm going to do an attack on our opponent. And I'm going to, so go ahead and, I've already selected the info here. And when we're doing low level attacks, we want to avoid the healers. So here's the target that we don't want to hit with tiles, because if she goes off, it's going to regenerate all the damage that we've done, and we're going to end up with 0 points for the attack. And so the goal here with low levels, you're not going to last very long in the war. Just try to do as much tile damage to the snipers. And this would be a sniper because Chow is going to deal 315% damage to the target and reduces the target by 25% their mana, which is what charges up your special. And so all I want to do is soften these snipers up as much as possible. Probably a good one to start with is a tank. So if the tank is not a healer, you may want to hit him as much as possible. Because then when you do raids and wars, the goal here first is to take out the tank. And then start working out from there. So I think what I'm going to do is, seeing how I've only been in this game for about 3 months and I'm doing a free play account, I don't have a lot of 4 and 5 star heroes. So I'm going to use my 2-star or rare heroes for this attack, because in wars what you're going to notice is you're going to build a team, but once you attack, that team is not going to be available to use again. And so you'll notice that top row is probably some of my best heroes, and the second row's got some of my best heroes. So at this point, if you're just into the game and you're just joined an alliance and you're in a war, you're probably going to have 2 stars heroes. I'm going to bring Bane in because I believe everybody gets Bane as a hero at the start. So I'm going to use him. It's nice to use healers if you have them. The only 2-star healer I have at this point is Shaji. So I'll use him. And then I like using Layla as a 2-star hero. She is a sniper. Bane is a sniper. And then I should have Nash in here as well. So we'll try. It's a possibility that we're not going to be able to do a lot of damage and by getting these heroes charged up. So anyway, here it goes. And this isn't a very good team to send in against a blue star. If I had more green 2-star heroes, that would have been better to use. But I just don't have them, so I'm not using them. So all right, here we go. Let's see how much we can weaken this tank so that the rest of our alliance members can have an easier time at taking him out. And again, I'm trying to avoid hitting the far right as much as possible. So we have a possibility for a diamond, and there it is. We got it. The only negative on that one, so you can see how fast we're going in this war. Like we're just not going to be able to last very long. So I think I may do as much chaos as I can. And that's it. So the key when you have these low-level heroes in war is get as many points as you can. That's 7 points. That's good. This team is slightly weakened up. And that's about as good as we're going to do.